Hello guys, transferring real estate isn't just about handing over the keys. It requires a legally valid deed. In this video, we'll walk you through how LegalZoom helps you transfer property, what types of deeds they offer, and how to make sure the process holds up at the country level. So whether you're gifting a home, adding a spouse to the title, or placing property in a trust, a deed transfer is required. LegalZoom offers help with quitclaim and grant deeds, which are commonly used in a non-sale property transfer. So when you start the deed transfer on LegalZoom, you will answer questions to help determine the correct type of deed. Quitclaim deeds are faster and often used between family, while grant deeds offer more legal protection. LegalZoom helps you choose based on your situation. You will provide property details, ownership information, and who the new owner will be. LegalZoom's questionnaire is clear and adjusts based on your estate. They also make sure country-specific rules like formatting or legal language are covered in the final document. After your answers are submitted, LegalZoom prepares the deed for you. But here's the key part. You will still need to sign it in front of a notary. Some states may also require witnesses, and LegalZoom flags this in your instructions. LegalZoom doesn't file the deed for you, but they do provide instructions for submitting it to your local county recorder's office. That's a crucial step. Without recording, the transfer isn't legally recognized. So LegalZoom's deed transfer services simplifies the paperwork, but it's not totally hands-off. You will still need to handle notarization and filing yourself. That said, it's a smart option for a straightforward transfer, especially between family members or to a trust. Transferring property, LegalZoom can help get the paperwork right. Just follow the process and file properly to make it official. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.